Rule number
21.
no sneezing in my class. What have you done? Hey, help me.
Okay.
Phew, that was close. What did you use?
Hey, I know this bird.